the Evoque Atom, a 60-volt lithium scooter style e-bike. It's unique. I really like that. I'll show you a few things about this, why it's unique. One is the seat's wide for bigger bums, but it's also nice and low. I'm 5'3", and this fits me perfectly. It comes in the 60 volt, 26 amp hour lithium that is removable. So you have to turn the key to the left. That opens up. Actually, I'll show you here how that comes out. Turn your breaker off. Unplug your battery, which is nice and snug. And take it out. That is about, I would say, about 25 pounds. So not bad. Very manageable for anyone, hopefully. Distance wise, you're gonna get, they state up to 70 kilometers per charge, and that's true. I think you really can, but I'll say 50 to 70 just depending on hills and how much you weigh and how you throttle. It's got a cute little seat at the back. And your little feeties here. I like it. I could ride like that. So just the one color, one battery, and right now they're on sale from $32.99 down to $28.99. So that's a killer deal, to be quite honest, especially if you're looking at like a emo zone, or sorry, a monster that's lead acid at $24.99. So for an extra 400 bucks, you're getting lithium, 60 volts. I know a little bit of difference, but anyways, the point is that it's an excellent value. It's got the back center stand, we call it, the side stand, and it's actually pretty cute because when you turn it on, it makes noises. So, and I'm a fan of that. So, turn the key to the right. Oh, I didn't turn the breaker off. Here's how you get to the seat, because this is a bit tricky. Don't push in the key. Just put the key in, turn it to the left. That opens your seat. I forgot to turn the breaker back on, so there you go. So we're going to turn that on. Do you hear that? And it has a P, which is a safety, because I have no throttle right now until you pull the either brake lever. So tell your voltage, full battery, level 2. So this M here changes your levels, which limits your speed. You can change that on the fly too if you want, no big deal. Horn signals. I love that there's a noise because I always forget to turn off my damn signals. There's your hazards. These are brake reservoirs. No, we did take no, there's plastic on there you can take off, so you'll be able to see that a little bit more. This is for to hang bags on there. It's nice and light. It is peppy. It is definitely peppy because it's quite light. But I think this would be good for anybody who's 5'5" and lower, or shorter, I guess you would call it. We sold a couple of these. We sent one of these out to Saskatchewan already, Moose Jaw, so that's pretty cool. He's very happy. But it's kind of just like a more masculine design compared to the Emo Addo. I would compare this to the Emo Addo or the Emo Morona. That's going to be the competition for that one. But it does win over price point, and then it just comes down to which one fits you a little bit better, or you just prefer the look of one to the other. So we are very happy to have Evoque at Ride the Wind. Very, very happy. Excellent company. So yeah, this is your Atom.